What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another moto vlog. I really don't have anything to say this time. I'm not really sure what hasn't been covered that isn't out there already. This damn squeaking on these brakes, man. Is that like a Sportster thing for brakes to squeak? I mean, this bike's only got not even 6,000 miles on it. Brakes are squeaking like crazy. Another day, another dollar. What's going on, everybody? I don't know if we're gonna have a very exciting moto vlog this time. I'm on my way home from work, so I thought I'd just record a little bit. Maybe we'll see something, maybe we won't. America. Oh, 64 degrees right now, not too bad. Let's go, truck. The thing about this damn light, it doesn't stay green that long, and then you got cars that wait forever, and then you got this shit. So I'm barely gonna squeak in here. What the hell are you dumping, sir? Get it, get it. I-55. God damn it, this shit happened yesterday. Look at this shit. What the hell?
You're a stupid dumbass.
You gotta watch your ass when you drive over this interstate overpass, man. I bet you that truck was shitting his pants, and I would be shitting my pants if it was me. That's the second car in 2 days. That's nuts. You know exactly what it is too, because I-55 it runs from Springfield all the way to St. Louis, and it runs up to Chicago, and it's a busy interstate, and you get these people that they pull over because it's a convenient spot, because like I said, it's halfway between Springfield and St. Louis. People leave the interstate, and then they go and they fill up gas or grab something to eat, and they don't know where the hell they're going or what they're doing, and then you put up with that shit. Unbelievable. So that's the one thing that scares me about riding bikes. A lot of people just don't pay attention or don't know what the hell they're doing. Oh yeah, so this might be a good topic. Didn't have anything, but sure as shit. Now we got plenty to talk about. Let's talk about safety today. So, out here, not a lot of people are big on wearing gear. Oh, there's some litter. Nice. Like I said, out here, there's not a lot of people that are real, they're not real strict about wearing gear. There's squids here all the time, running around, no helmet. And I mean, that's fine. That's their choice. Do what you want. To each their own. But ever since I even thought about buying a motorcycle, like I said in another moto vlog, I'm married now. I have kids. I have important things in my life that are number one. So I have to make sure I put myself in the best situation to make sure that I go from point A to point B on this motorcycle being as safe as I can and arriving alive. And that's what was good about the MSF course video I made previously. Check that out up here. I'll put a card up here so you guys can go to that video. But one thing that was great about that class is it really taught you about being aware of your surroundings when you're riding. Like right now, I got a safe distance. I have a safe distance between me and that truck ahead of me, right? I always give myself a little bit extra because you don't know when something's going to run out, a critter's going to run out in the middle of the road, which happens here all the time. Because we have deer, we have possum, we have raccoon, we have all that stuff. Animals run out in the middle of the road all the time. And I want to make sure I have enough stopping distance between me and that truck. That way, if something does go down, I have time to react. And plenty more time to get to the side of the road or wherever I need to make sure I'm in the safest situation to where I still have the shiny side up on this bike. So getting back to gear, like I said, I always, 95% of the time, probably 98% of the time, I always have all my gear on. I always wear gloves. I always wear my jacket my jacket here has CE armor in it, so that if I do go down, it also has Kevlar in it too that'll help save my skin. I have a full face helmet, which is the safest because you don't know how many rocks I would have taken in the teeth if I didn't have this full face on. So, like I said, I'm not going to tell you all what to do with your own lives. Do what you want. I'm just telling you what I do for safety, what I do to make sure I get from point A to point B with the best possible chances of arriving unscathed, uninjured, and of course alive. God, the bugs are out. My windshield's starting to look like a bug graveyard. You guys probably can't see this. Hopefully a bug didn't pop onto the camera. So do you guys wear full gear? Yes or no? Let me know what you do. I mean, I know out here in Illinois, summers could get unbearably hot. I mean, we're talking, you know, almost 100 degrees, high humidities, and you're just dripping sweat if you're wearing long sleeves out riding. But I mean, you have to make a choice for yourself. Do I want to risk the safety for comfort? Do I not want to wear anything at all? Let me know what you guys do. Do you guys always wear a helmet? Do you always wear gear? Do you always not wear gear? What do you wear? Full face? Do you wear a braid bucket? Do you wear a half helmet? Let me know in the comments below. It's always interesting to see other people's points and perspectives and, you know, what you have as far as your gear. Another thing I did too when I bought this bike, I wanted to make sure, because I didn't have the highest visibility because this bike is all blacked out. And of course I want to make sure not only that I'm seeing everything when I'm riding, that I'm also being seen. And by that I mean cars know where I am and are aware that I'm around. I mean, I know I got the loud pipes on this. I know that probably helps. You know, you hear the term loud pipes save lives. I do agree with that very much, because, you know, if you got quiet baffles on your bike and your exhaust isn't very loud, it's just one less thing that people are not going to notice, so that they know that you're around. So getting back to visibility, I swapped out the stock light on this Sportster with it's a Daymaker knockoff I got on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below, or I'll put a card up here, one of the two. You guys can check that out. It's worked really well for me. It's very, very bright, way brighter than the stock headlight. And also I put on some custom dynamics turn signals in the front. I don't have anything but like the red incandescent bulbs in the back, but in the front I do have the custom dynamic turn signals, and they're really bright too. Good visibility on those. I know that they're easy to pick out, you know, in traffic. Like I said, they're bright as shit. But I am considering getting some LEDs for the back because, like I said, I just have the regular incandescent red bulbs right now. And I know like I said, I want to give myself the best chance of being seen at all times. And if I'm ever out at night, that's going to just make it things a little bit better for me. But just what you spend on your gear, man, just how much is your life worth? Is it worth a $400 helmet, or is it worth a $80 brain bucket? I mean, dress for the slide, not the ride. But that's just me, like I said. I'm not always that worried about looking cool on the bike. As long as I'm riding, I'm happy. I never ride without a helmet. But guys, that's all I got today for safety. Leave me a message in the comments below. Let me know what you do to be safe on a bike. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you in the next video. You guys take it sleazy. I'll see you next time.